Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony Wall Street Trader. It is 9:51 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Monday, October 4th, 2021. This is not financial advice. It's educational only. Click that subscribe and the bell. Be notified of when these videos come out. Click the thumbs up and share this video. We're talking about Quant. Click that share button. Share it with your friends. It's all about Quant and its price action. We all know where Quant's going. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below the video. Let's take a look at Quant US dollar. Let me tell you something. This is one of my favorite patterns right here. It's not a pattern. It's more of a trend line. I think it's like it is respecting this trend line perfectly to a T. Quant US dollar is around 303 right now, and let me zoom out on this chart here. We are poised. We're going to continue up this thing. I owe all of you an end of year prediction on the Quant. Now, Quant is a blockchain technology that unifies all of the different ledgers out there so that people in the corporations, like there's huge IT budgets that dedicate people to write technology development programs. So there are factions of these people that are probably writing decentralized technology types of applications, connecting their company's ledgers to other companies' ledgers, i.e. blockchains. And what does that mean? Well, there's a multitude of underlying platform technologies out there. So how do you unify it all and make it simpler for an existing company to be able to produce the same thing over and over again without having to do it differently each time? Well, there's only one way to do it, and you're right. It's Quant Networks, and that's what these guys do. So let's go into it. 303, 192. We're over this beautiful support line right now, and I don't think we're going below 279, and I don't even think we're going to go below 294. But, we're going to see how this thing plays out. In the meantime, the trend is your friend until it's not your friend. This has completely not disrespected this line. It has been respecting it. So you can only go with what it's been respecting until it doesn't. So this is how trading works. So you stay with the line. The trend is your friend until it's not. In the meantime, Quant Bitcoin. Right now, we took a little spill here. I'm not sure what's going on. But if we go down a little further, it's not that far away. It's, I don't know, maybe less than 10%. But I think we're going to rally back over here. It's hard to say right now what's going on with this dip, but it looks temporary. In the meantime, looking over Bitcoin at 49,246. Again, like last night, kind of hoping for a real big juicy bounce here, but apparently a bit of a pullback down to 46,894. But let's be real about Bitcoin. This is exactly the same pattern that we've seen in the past. So I'm not going to belabor this any more than I have to. But we all know what's going on here. This is exactly the same thing as this thing. So, not many people have caught this. And if this thing does turn out to be what I'm totally predicting it to be, you will have heard it here first and only here, because no one's calling out this pattern back here on a relative basis to this. And I'm telling you, these are identical in general terms. In the meantime, Bitcoin dominance is still in a good, we're kind of pulled back into this channel, which is fantastic. 4283. It's a great place to be right now for Bitcoin dominance. Look, a little bit sacrificial for the altcoin markets, specifically for the Quant Bitcoin pair. So we could see that great thrust upward in the Bitcoin dominance pair will show some signs of weakness in altcoin to Bitcoin pairs. And a perfect example of altcoin to Bitcoin is Quant Bitcoin. Right here, right in your face, right here. But it's okay, because I don't think we're going to be really dropping too low here. Quant is in pretty good shape, I think, generally speaking. If it was to drop 10%, it would drop to around the 276 range. But who cares? As long as you're into it for the conviction and for the long-term view of the Quant network, then you're in it for the right reason. Anyway, I'm out. Have a great night, everyone.